Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of travel with a look at the top 7 best carry-on travel gear you need right now. Whether you're jet-setting across the globe or making a quick getaway, having the right travel gear can make all the difference. We've done the research to bring you 7 amazing products that are not only high quality but also practical for your travel needs. So, let's get started. Number 1. Pack Gear Hanging Organizer, Carry-On Organizer. First up is the Pack Gear Hanging Organizer. This ingenious design folds up compactly, making it easy to pack into your carry-on, but unfolds into a spacious organizer that you can hang up in your hotel room or on the back of your door. It's made from durable, water-resistant polyester that ensures your toiletries and travel essentials stay protected, even on drizzly days. With multiple compartments, you'll find designated spaces for everything from your shampoos and lotions to your makeup and grooming tools. What truly sets this organizer apart is its easy accessibility. No more digging through your bag to find what you need. Just hang it up and you're good to go. The bright color options also add a dash of personality to your travel gear. The sturdy zippers are designed to withstand frequent use, ensuring that your items stay securely stored. Perfect for any kind of trip, the Pack Gear Hanging Organizer is a travel essential that every adventurous soul should have.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Cuero Large Leather Duffel Bag, 32-inch Travel Bag. Next on our list is the Cuero Large Leather Duffel Bag, measuring a generous 32 inches. Crafted from genuine leather, this duffel exudes an air of luxury while being resilient enough for travel. The craftsmanship is impressive, showcasing a rich texture and striking color variations that age beautifully, giving each bag a unique character over time. The spacious interior comfortably accommodates clothes, shoes, and travel necessities, making it a fantastic companion for long weekends or extended trips. Functionality is a high point here as well. The secure zippered closure ensures your belongings are safe, while the sturdy dual handles provide comfort during long hauls. You can also opt for a detachable shoulder strap for added versatility. The bag features additional pockets for easy organization of smaller items, keeping everything within reach when you're on the move. With the Cuero Large Leather Duffel Bag, you not only travel in style but also carry a piece that offers durability and functionality. Number 3. Wand for Spirit Airlines Personal Item Bag, Underseat Duffel. Coming in hot at number 3 is the Wand for Spirit Airlines Personal Item Bag. Designed specifically for those who frequently fly with Spirit Airlines, this underseat duffel seamlessly fits under the seat in front of you. Constructed from high-quality, water-resistant material, it has a streamlined design that doesn't sacrifice space. Inside, it offers ample capacity for your laptop, chargers, snacks, and even a change of clothes, making it perfect for short trips or as a supplementary carry-on. The bag features a unique, adjustable strap that allows for easy carrying, whether over the shoulder or crossbody. This versatility means you'll be comfortable regardless of how you choose to tote your gear. The stylish design and range of color options make it unique while remaining practical. Its lightweight nature ensures you won't add unnecessary heft to your travel load, and the sturdy structure means it will withstand the rigors of travel. The Wand Personal Item Bag is an essential for budget travelers looking to maximize their space without compromising on style or efficiency. Number 4. Malirona Canvas Weekender Bag, 22 Travel Duffel. At number 4, we have the Malirona Canvas Weekender Bag, measuring a convenient 22 inches. Made from premium canvas material, this bag is not only stylish, but it's also built to last. The rugged exterior is complemented by leather accents, making it a fashionable choice for any traveler. The spacious main compartment is perfect for packing clothes, toiletries, and even some bulky items, making this bag ideal for weekend getaways or short trips. What's particularly impressive is the comfortable, adjustable shoulder strap that eases the burden during long walks in the airport or on the road. Built-in internal pockets allow you to organize smaller items, ensuring that everything has a designated spot. The high-quality zippers glide smoothly, providing easy access to all of your belongings. Plus, the iconic design makes it versatile enough to transition from a travel bag to a gym bag effortlessly, For anyone looking for a sturdy yet chic travel companion, the Malirona Canvas Weekender bag is hard to beat. Number 5. PlasMaller Packable Duffel Bag, Lightweight Travel Bag. Sliding into number 5 is the PlasMaller Packable Duffel Bag. One of the most impressive features of this bag is its ability to fold into its own pocket, making it the ultimate space saver for your travels. The lightweight fabric doesn't compromise on strength. It can hold a significant amount of weight while remaining extremely easy to carry. Ideal for unexpected shopping sprees or as an extra carry-on, this travel bag emphasizes versatility. In terms of design, the PlasMaller duffel bag boasts a sleek and modern look with multiple color options to match any aesthetic. The roomy main compartment can accommodate a variety of items, whether it's for a short trip or just your gym gear. Moreover, the durable and water-resistant material makes it suitable for different environments, ensuring your belongings stay safe and dry. If you're someone who values convenience and lightweight packing, this bag is a true game-changer for your travel essentials. Number 6. JIANYA Women Duffel Bag, Gym Bag with Shoe Compartment. Coming in at number 6 is the JIANYA Women Duffel Bag, designed with the active traveler in mind. This gym bag not only excels at holding workout gear but also comes equipped with a unique shoe compartment, making it a multifunctional travel companion. Crafted from high-quality fabric, the bag is both stylish and functional, featuring an elegant design that looks great whether you're at the gym or the airport. The spacious interior has enough space for clothes, toiletries, and even some workout equipment. The smart design ensures that your shoes have their own dedicated area, keeping everything organized and clean. Multiple side pockets provide additional storage for your keys, wallet, or phone, making them easily accessible. The durable construction means it's built to withstand the wear and tear of daily use. With the JIANYA Women Duffel Bag, you can easily transition from working out to traveling without missing a beat. Number 7. Troy Lee Designs GasGas Team Gear Bag, Short Haul Roller. Finally, at number 7, we have the Troy Lee Designs GasGas Team Gear Bag. Designed specifically for short hauls, this roller bag is perfect for motorsport enthusiasts or anyone looking for a robust travel solution. With a spacious interior, it can comfortably hold all your gear, including helmets, boots, and racing suits. The exterior is made from rugged materials that are built to endure the elements, whether you're loading in the rain or enduring rough travel conditions. The heavy-duty wheels and sturdy retractable handle make maneuvering through airports or pits a breeze. Safety is prioritized with secure zippered compartments to keep your items safe. Versatile side pockets are ideal for storing personal items or tools, giving you more space for larger equipment. And there you have it, our top 7 picks for the best carry-on travel gear you need right now. From versatile duffel bags to innovative organizers, these products will enhance your travel experience in style. Make sure to check the links in the description for more details, and let us know in the comments which of these products you're excited to try. Happy travels, everyone!